Coming to injuries and eponyms part 2, it is the radial club hand. First is radial club hand. Radial club hand is the longitudinal deficiency disorder where there is the absence of radius, complete absence of the radius bone, or the partial absence of radius bone, but the complete absence of radius bone is most common. So thumb, scaphoid or trapezium bone can also be absent with this. So Bain-Klang classify it as a bilateral pediatric deformity with some syndrome which is congenital. That can be TAR syndrome. What is TAR syndrome? Thrombocytopenia, and there is a absence of radius. So thrombocytopenia with absence of radius, or it can be a Vector syndrome, which is very important, very important in case of tracheoesophageal fistula. So Vector syndrome, vertebral anomaly, anal atresia, tracheoesophageal fistula with renal and radial dysplasia. So there is a radial bone dysplasia. Okay. Or Haltoram syndrome. Haltoram syndrome is atrial septal defect, radial club hand, and Fanconi's anemia. Fanconi's anemia, atrial septal defect of the heart, and the radial club hand. Now coming to the polydactyly. Polydactyly is the most common congenital deformity of the hand. It can be preaxial or central or postaxial. So it can be here preaxial, or it can be postaxial, or central, or can be postaxial. So preaxial, central, or can be postaxial. So anywhere. So it is mainly seen in the thumb. It is polydactyly. Syndactyly is the fused finger. So fused finger, webbed finger. So fused or conjoined finger or webbed finger. Incomplete webbed finger is most common than the complete webbed finger, because complete webbed finger is known as syndactylism, and incomplete webbed finger, which is most commonly seen in the middle and the ring finger. So middle finger and ring finger, it is most commonly seen. If it is associated with Poland syndrome, it is a ipsilateral absence of pectoralis major muscle. So syndactyly can be associated with Poland syndrome, which is the ipsilateral absence of the pectoralis major muscle. Very important. Many times need question it is asked, what is Poland syndrome? So it is a ipsilateral absence of the pectoralis major muscle. P for pectoralis major, P for Poland. Apert syndrome can also be there, that is the craniosynostosis. That means all the cranial bones, there is no suture line, all cranial bones are fused to form a single skull. It is the synostosis. Okay. Kienbach's disease. What is Kienbach's disease? Kienbach's disease is the pressure osteochondritis. It is the inflammation. Osteochondritis means bone with cartilage inflammation. It is a pressure inflammation, non-traumatic inflammation. There is a avascular necrosis of the lunate bone. So there is a avascular necrosis of the lunate bone. Now coming to the Calpan's injury. Calpan's injury is a irreducible dislocation of the index finger. Irreducible dislocation of the index finger at the level of the metacarpophalangeal joint. At the level of the metacarpophalangeal joint, there is a irreducible dislocation of the index finger. So this is all about the injury or the deformity of the wrist and the forearm. Thank you.